friends, this
Hello.
is Suvarna Keshav, welcoming you all to Suvarna's Hobby World. So today I am at the residence of Mrs. Sumati and Mr. Keshav Prakash.
Thank you.
We are here to witness their dolls display. So come, let us see.
Welcome, Mrs. Suvarna Keshav for
Dolls show, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
So nice of you.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.
So here we have the Dashavatara. So they have Ranganatha Swami on the serpent bed in the center. Lots of traditional dolls. And here we have the Kalyanam or the marriage set. So the marriage is over and people are having their lunch happily. Here are the musicians. Here we have the Radha Krishna and Krishna with the Gopikas. Please note the small Krishna on a cute swing. These are the Raja Rani dolls or the Pattada Bombay. This is the Setu Bandha set, where the monkeys built a bridge across the ocean to reach Lanka, where Mother Sita was captivated. These are some of the wooden dolls. Here we have some occupational dolls, Chota Bheem and his team. And here is a cricket team, a band set, and the scene of a park being recreated. Here they have depicted a village scene. We see the vendors with vegetables in their push carts. Some agricultural activities going on. So let us see the international collection now. Here is a nice model of Angkor Wat and Thailand's floating market. Also we can here see some beautiful Japanese dolls here. Aren't they really cute, friends? It is a delight to watch them all. And this is some collection from Thailand again. This is a cute double doll from Thailand. These are the Bangkok dolls. And this is a fighting scene between Hanuman and Ravana. Ravana's face has been made quite fierce. And here is Lord Hanuman attacking Ravana fiercely. And these are some floral decorations with a beautiful rangoli, a peacock rangoli. And let me just give you an overall look of the whole dolls display. at the residence of Mrs. Sumati. These are the gold and silver trees in the Thailand temples, and they are supposed to bring a lot of good luck to the community. Hi friends, so today we are at the residence of Mrs. Malini Pranav.
Hello, Suvarna. Thank you.
So thank you for inviting me. I'm very excited to see
Same
your doll
here.
collection.
Same here. Thank you for choosing my home to display this thing. Yeah, thank you so much.
So now Mrs. Malini will take us on a journey of all her dolls that she has displayed, and let us see what all she has displayed. I'm very excited to see her dolls. So she has displayed her dolls in 5 different steps.
Yeah, thank you, Suvarna, for inviting me for your show. I'm very glad to be on your show.
Oh,
Thank
that's
you so
my
much.
pleasure. I'm sure our viewers will all enjoy all these things.
Yeah, I've been displaying or keeping Bombays for the past 10-12 years.
Okay.
And I have quite a collection, but this time I couldn't display all of them as there is a restraint of space.
Okay.
The first step, right? The first step is all the major god and goddesses.
Okay.
First is Ganapati. Most of
Okay.
all, any puja we start with Ganapati.
Ganapati, yes, right.
So Ganapati then is the goddess of Lakshmi, wealth and knowledge, Saraswati. Then we have Shiva and the Durgi, main
Yeah.
goddesses of this Navratri.
Okay.
And then the second step is all the famous couples, you would say.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice concept. Nice to hear about it.
Yeah, so this is Rama, Lakshmana. These are
Yeah.
always in a set, right? We
In
don't
a
see
set.
them independently.
Alone, yeah.
And this is the Pattabhi, which is very, very important for our
For
display,
any,
right?
yeah,
Karnataka
yeah.
without
South
this,
Indian displays. Correct. Correct.
And then that is Radha Krishna. And then that is
Vitala
Vitala
Rakumani.
and Rukmani. And the third one is what I would say is different avatars, we can say.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this is a Panchmukhi Hanuman.
Hanuman. Yeah.
Okay, and then
Ranganatha Swami.
Ranganatha Swami and Dattatreya.
Dattatreya. Very unique. Very
Yeah.
unique. Not many people have this Dattatreya. Yeah.
And then that's the
Dashavatara. Yeah.
And then comes the fourth step where I have displayed who were normal people who attain godliness.
Okay.
Right? And
Okay.
we worship them as
Gods.
God. So Meera, who is
Okay.
a great devotee of
A
Krishna.
devotee of Krishna. Yes.
Shankaracharya. And then in between we have this Vastu Perumal.
Okay.
Vastu Perumal, this thing, and the saints of Carnatic music,
Okay.
Tyagaraja and
Musical trinities.
yeah,
Yeah.
musical trinities. And the last one is just a glance of our Mysuru.
Mysuru. Okay.
Okay, so many landmarks of Mysuru are displayed here. And during Dasara, the procession starts from the Mysore Palace. Right?
Palace,
So that
yeah.
I have displayed here. And a major part of Mysore, this thing, Dasara is a music festival. So
Okay.
it's just the stage that is arranged with the musicians performing.
Hmm.
Venkatachalapati and Padmavati.
Yeah.